What's up mga kaigang? Itong video natin ngayon para sa mga naghahanap ng affordable soundbar o Bluetooth speaker na less than 600 pesos lang. Na-curious lang ako dito sa soundbar na to kasi 10,000 plus nang kumuha nito sa Shopee. Mas affordable pa sa affordable kasi less than 600 lang. Ito ang Popcorn Gaming Speaker. Nung chinek ko sa Shopee, yan, nasa 531 lang siya. You know, 531 lang. Yung link dito, nandito lang sa left corner ng video natin, description at pinned comment sa baba. Bale, ito yung box niya. Yan, popcorn nakalagay. Kala ko pagkain. Ang catchy ng name niya kasi. Yan, buksan na natin dito sa taas. Whoop. Yun, nandito kagad yung popcorn gaming speaker. Lagyan muna natin dito. Meron pang styro. Tapos, may kasamang manual. Yan. Okay, tabi muna natin yung iba. Tanggalin natin sa plastic. Whoop! 15-inch lang yung haba niya, kaya tamang-tama sa desk nyo. Lalo na kung maliit yung space. 10 watts yung power output nito, tapos may RGB na rin. May audio at mic port na rin dito sa harap. Tapos dito sa likod, nakakabit na yung USB-A na cable niya. So yun mga kaigang, ito na mismo yung popcorn gaming soundbar. So plastic yung build niya. Yan. Expected na natin sa mga budget na speaker, no? Pero meron naman siyang RGB. Ito. Yan, RGB. Yun nga lang, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-off. Naka-permanent na on lang siya. Tapos, andito yung knob niya, volume knob. Tapos, 3.5mm na headphone port, tsaka microphone port. Yan, 3.5mm. Tapos, yan, dito naman sa ilalim. Meron siyang rubber fitting, yan, para hindi dumula sa desk nyo, no? Tapos dito sa likod, yan, makita natin dito yung USB-A na cable. Nakakabit na siya. Bali, pwede ito nakakabit sa PC nyo pag naka-wired mode o nakakabit sa power bank pag naka-Bluetooth mode. Since budget speaker to, wala tong app support, no? Siyempre, para mas maging affordable. Kaya i-set up na natin to para makita yung RGB niya at matesting sa music. Bali, set up natin ngayon, ikakabit natin to sa power bank at i-connect via Bluetooth. Okay, bago natin i-play yung music, make sure naka-earbuds or headphones kayo para mas marinig nyo yung tunog niya. YouTuber ka ba na may at least 10k subscribers at gusto magkaroon ng 20,000 pesos na commission? Mag-register na kagad dito sa Shopee x YouTube Shopping Program. Yung link nasa description o pinned comment lang sa baba. Make sure ilagay nyo yung YouTube link ko as a referral para maging eligible kayo sa pag-claim ng 20,000 pesos na commission. Lastly, magtag lang kayo ng Shopee products sa at least 40 videos sa YouTube channel nyo. Makikita nyo yan dito sa YouTube Studio. Click nyo yung content, click nyo yung pencil icon or details, at click nyo yung products para makapagtag kayo ng Shopee products sa YouTube videos nyo. Napakadali lang, di ba? Kaya mag-register na kagad kayo sa Shopee x YouTube Shopping Program. Yung link niyan nasa description o pinned comment lang sa baba. Okay, 50% yung volume. Play na natin.
We can take this back wherever it goes. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Yeah. I wave goodbye to my old life. Been reaching for some new heights. My baby there the whole time, and it feels right. You by my side, I'm out about a can't cry. I need my partner in crime, yeah.
Try nga natin ng 70%. Medyo mahina yung volume niya sa 50, 70, yan, okay. Play ulit natin to.
We can take this back wherever it goes. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Yeah. I wave goodbye to my old life. Been reaching for some new heights. My baby, that whole time. And it feels right, you by my side. A modern body can't climb. I need my partner in crime, yeah. I miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time, 'cause I was loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby, it's the right thing, I'm ready to know. And you feel it, I really do, I say the truth, we can't go any road. Need you now, I'm your queen and you the keeper now. It's a game, let's play it how you like. How does it make you feel? Or you wanna change? I'll be whatever, watching my weekend dance. You got to move tonight. Stars are watching us in the sky. I wanna last it forever. It's a sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I won't lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time. Just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby, it's the right way, I'm ready to know. And you feel it, I really do, I said the truth, we can't go any road. Need you now, let's change the clothes.
Pag 50% yung volume niya, mahina siya, no? Kaya dapat 70% pataas yung volume niya dito para marinig niyo yung ganda ng tunog niya. Pagdating sa Bluetooth, SBC lang yung codec niya, no? Pero maganda yung tunog ng instruments tsaka vocals. Tingin ko yun yung pinaka-strength nitong Popcorn gaming speaker. Pagdating naman sa lows or yung bass niya, meron din naman, kaso hindi ganun kalakas. Kasi wala din tong passive radiator, no? Pero sa presyo niya na less than 600 pesos lang, sulit na to, no? Ngayon, test naman natin to sa gaming. Pag wired mode, syempre walang delay yan. Kaya i-test natin to via Bluetooth. May RGB, pwedeng USB mode at Bluetooth mode. 10 watts total output, may headphone and mic port, at compact ang size. Tamang-tama sa mga maliliit na space. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng soundbar o speaker na magaan sa bulsa, baka itong Popcorn gaming speaker na yung hinahanap nyo. Yung link dito, nandito lang sa left corner ng video natin, description at pinned comment sa baba. Kaya kayo mga kaigang, anong masasabi nyo dito sa Popcorn gaming speaker?